When a fire occurs in an industrial facility, the first priority is always safety and stabilizing the situation. After that, attention shifts to the condition of the equipment and whether it can continue to operate safely. At this stage, the challenge is that fire damage is not always visible. Some equipment may appear severely affected, but still be structurally sound, while other assets that look intact may have experienced changes in material properties. Fire exposure can impact strength, toughness, and overall integrity in ways that cannot be identified through visual inspection alone. This creates uncertainty when deciding whether to restart, repair, or replace equipment. With API 579 Part 11, Fitness for Service Assessment, Velosi evaluate the actual condition of fire-affected assets using heat zone mapping, material testing, and engineering analysis. This allows decisions to be based on technical evidence rather than assumptions.